Okay, I'm on page 29, Science, week 33, day 3. Page 29 is where I'm at. So I'm starting page 29. Okay, got my notes page ready to go. Complex organisms. I'm going to write that. Complex organisms. Do you think you are a complex organism? Let's find out. Even simple organisms that have been mentioned, like Hydra, are actually very complex. The more scientists learn about life, the more they realize that even simple cells is too complex for them to build. So even a simple thing for them to make, it's too complex to even make it. So they've tried, but nobody can play God. Okay. The frill-neck lizard, Titanarium, discussed below, are examples of God's great ingenuity. Why do you think God would make such diverse organisms to inhabit Earth? So have you guys seen these frill-neck lizards? They're really cool. So on page 29, you can see when they get scared or threatened, they're like Frill on in Gregor that I was reading to you about. Okay. It is difficult to think about the complexity of nature without thinking about the designs and features of living things on Earth. The frill-neck lizard of Australia is one of nature's most fascinating designs. Most notably, this lizard has a large frill of skin around its head. The frill stays in folds against the neck and head of the lizard. It is extended when the lizard is threatened. How is this frill of extended skin help the lizard when a predator threatens it? It is believed that the frill is also used to communicate with other lizards. What information might they be communicating? Well, I would say if there's danger, if there's danger, if maybe they're mating and they're trying to get a mate, that might be a reason why they would communicate. Okay, so let's say you're walking along, right? And you see this giant predator come up to you. I didn't restart my timer here. Okay, and you go, it will make you instantly look bigger, right? So that's how it protects itself. Okay, so complex organisms, what do we know about them so far? They are too, T-O-O, complex for humans to create, right? Okay. What information might they be communicating? The lizard even has the ability to run on its hind legs to make it look bigger, right? When you think of a flower, what do you think of? How would you describe its fragrance or color? The scent and color of a flower are featured in God's design to help plants attract pollinators. Pollinators, such as insects and bats, are required for many types of plants to reproduce. He also designed an organism with the ability to adapt to the surroundings or their new circumstances. One plant with such an adaptation is the Titanarium, or known as the corpse lily. Imagine walking in a tropical forest of Sumatra, and then you smell the nauseating, rotten meat smell. And that odor from the Titanarium and a threatened species on which a single flower can reach the height of 9.8 feet will bloom. In addition to the terrible odor, the plant has a fleshy pink color that's the same temperature as a human body. How do you think these features help this animal or this plant survive? Well, why would a flower need to smell like rotten meat and feel like rotten meat? And they're huge. Because they're trying to trap animals that eat rotten meat. And they will literally eat an entire animal. It is crazy. So what did we talk about today? We talked about the frill-neck lizard. and this Titan Arum, which is the smelly flower that smells like rotting meat. Okay. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to have you guys watch a video. I'll find, and you're going to do 10 fun facts. And then on Monday, we will start the next interaction with species on page 30. Okay, so tomorrow you get 10 fun facts, and then that will be so much fun. Okay, see you tomorrow.